Well, good morning, everyone. This is Donna. How are you? So, um, this was the doll that I wanted to love, and I really wanted her. I mean, even though she's not articulated, but I missed out on Miss Lux the first time around, and I haven't been able to find one locally. So I thought, okay, I'll buy her and maybe pop her head on a different body or something. I mean, this little bubble skirt is so cute, and the top, everything. Even the little shoes. I could almost forgive the fact that it doesn't seem like her leg wants to move backwards at all. It moves forward, but not back. And the arms, well, hey, they can swing back. Let's see if I can get her up close here. I love the color of her lip. And I know it's kind of hard for it to pick up, but that face is just gorgeous, right? So why do I not like her? Well, first, when I took her out of the box, there was tremendous hair shed. I mean, it's bad. But I was running my hand through her hair right out of the box, and I felt something strange because I was about to comb it, and I find this straight out of the box. And it is a section from this side of the hair and a section from over here that was twisted. I mean, I don't. It seems like it's twisted different ways, but it is just. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this out or not. And I really don't want to cut the hair out because it's a good, it's a chunk. I mean, but I can't comb her hair, and I can't really, I mean, what are you going to do? Leave that hanging down if you decide to put her up in ponytails or something? This is. Now I can see why they weren't flying off the shelves, that's for sure. I don't know what to do about this. I might have to snip it or something, but it's not coming apart, that's for sure. And I'm afraid that I'm going to get more of it caught up in here trying to detangle it, but this is a first for me. But that's why I suggest not this doll. I mean, I've heard some people have got some good ones, but evidently a lot of people have gotten some bad ones. She'll stay, but I don't know what I'm going to do with this hair. Anyway, too bad. Her face is beautiful, and I love, love, love the color of her eyes. So, I don't know. Buyer beware on this one.